Alright guys, it's early in the morning and my garden looks gorgeous out here. The lemongrass is beautiful and it's serving as a deterrent for deer getting to the red ripper peas. And I have been out all morning putting those back on trellis. But yeah, we got bone sauce from Permapasture Farms. Check them out, permapasturefarms.com. Bone sauce in all the right places, all over the place to keep them out of the red rippers. Look at the sweet potatoes. It's gorgeous. You know, deer like okra too. So I've got our tomato cages we're not using. I've got my pink tape scattered around. Look at this. Y'all, we don't want deer in here. So we're using the bone sauce, the tape, and the tomato cages, and lights. On this end, we have one solar light here and one here. I have some more. I've got to go get them. But on the other end, we have lights. We have ribbon, and the wind catches that ribbon, and we're hoping. And I've got bone sauce in all the right places. It's on weeds. It's on lemongrass. It is on the post. Danny's going to kill me, but oh well. And these just glimmer. I think that should keep them out at least some. I don't know about nighttime, but we are in crunch mode. We need our food to produce, and we need the deer to stay out. Isn't that awesome? So solar lights, ribbons, using the cages, the tomato cages, using the fencing, and solar lights, caging, fencing, and ribbon. Sometimes it works. We'll see. And the bone sauce. Oh yeah, permapasturefarms.com, bone sauce. We don't need deer in here. It's too pretty to lose now.